Hi everybody, my name is Gianluca Zanna and I will be your Krav-Maga instructor. August the 6th, Sunday, 12 p.m. at the Sports Farm Center. Krav-Maga, it is not a martial arts, but is a martial system. It was created in Israel exactly for the real purpose to defend soldiers on the battlefield in a very short time of training. It's been adapted to civilians and now is available all over the world. I went all the way down to Tel Aviv and also, of course, Ashdod, where my master, Alan Cohen, gave me the certification and military instructor in Krav-Maga Black Belt. And I'll be happy to share with you the knowledge I have and continue studying with all of you at the Sports Farm Center. August the 6th, Sunday, 12 p.m. Be there.